Dork. Hi. How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Thank you for coming to see me. Do you know my name? My name's Amanda Smith, and I wanted to have a chat with you today. Is that okay? Yeah. I wanted to let you know that anything we talk about today is just between you and me. I won't tell anybody what we say, okay? Does that make sense? All right. Hey, what's your favorite color?
Pink, purple, turquoise, and orange.
Pink, purple, turquoise, and orange? I like your pink shirt. Guess what my favorite color is? Turquoise. Just like one of yours. Isn't that neat? We have the same color favorites. What's the fish on your shirt named?
I Glub Glub.
Glub Glub? What a cool name. I like Glub Glub. That's fancy. Hey, someone told me that you are feeling a bit sad. Are you feeling sad? Yeah, do you want to tell me why you're feeling sad?
Cause
You have to speak loudly.
someone
Tell me what happened?
I didn't cry.
Yeah, you have to speak loudly because remember it's recording. Okay, so speak loudly. What happened? Why are you feeling sad?
Cause somebody poked me.
Somebody poked you on your foot? Is that when you were in class?
And a guy poked me.
Kaya poked you on your foot? How did that feel?
Sad.
It made you feel sad. What did you do when you felt sad after she poked you?
I just think tough.
You felt tough? That's a good thing to feel.
That's what I you do.
It was just a little poke. It didn't hurt that badly. Man, you must be tough. Let me see you. You have big muscles? Oh my goodness, look at your big muscles. Wow, big muscles. Well, I'm glad to hear that you felt tough. Is this something that you think that maybe you could use your words and tell Kaya next time?
Yeah.
What do you think you could say to her?
I don't poke me, please.
And did you learn something? Did you learn that sometimes when people poke, it hurts, huh? So do you think that you'll ever poke? No, it's not nice to use our hands and our feet against other people, is it? No, it's nice to use gentle like this. High five. Wow. Can you do a foot five? Foot five. Whoa. Cool. Well, thanks for taking the time to talk to me today. Are you feeling better? Yeah, and now you know that next time somebody does something that you don't like, you could just tell them what. What could you say?
Don't do that.
Say it loudly so I can hear you.
I don't do that.
Don't do that. That hurts, huh? Well, thank you for taking the time to see me today. You're surely a cute little girl. Can I have high fives? Wow! All right, I'll see you later.